Been closed over 100 years. Just recently opened. This is the gold-rich stuff.
That's the stuff you tried?
This is the stuff that we're getting out of all the other rock in here.
Uh-huh.
This is the stuff.
Yeah, you don't want your feet.
Nope.
That's what you want.
And we've done some of that, but probably not enough of just this slab.
Yeah, dude, that's it.
You would think.
Yeah, that's the shit they're chasing.
Yeah.
That's why you're missing.
Well, look at this.
Look at Dad. That's why you're missing all this. This was all here.
Right.
I got a bite.
You sure?
Oh, that looks like good shit. Now, how about the rock below it, no?
That's not working. Sorry.
That whole rock looks good.
Yeah, I want this. Yeah, that's good shit.
Yeah, I usually bring a chisel too.
Yeah, let me just go down a little bit. We'll try that. But you see this whole vein?
Yeah. Yeah, it's got that dark quartz in it.
Yep. That is good shit. All this whole chunk.
Yeah, we should mark this area.
I hope we got that piece.
No, it went right by.
Did it?
Hit in that chest.
That was a good one.
I'll get the rest of that little piece.
Yeah, hold it. Yeah. There we go. There we go. You see that?
Oh, I know.
That is good. That's the shit. Come on, let me just.
You'll find out if there's gold in there.
You can smell that. That's
Look at that. Look at that chunk right there.
You smell that? Yeah, that's
Sulfur.
It's what they use for.
Matches. Timbers are getting rotten. Shoot up that way.